Ma'am, ano, stretch ko mo ang legs, ma'am. Imong legs, ma'am, stretch, ma'am. Yan, itagak ko na eh. Okay, nanami sa mo ang second set ron guys. So, mo capture ko wide. Okay. Aboy dira. Na. Ay lang. Yan na. Okay. Capture tag wide guys. Nata sa second set na to. Wait lang de ah. Na. Okay. Anday ang buhok ni Ma'am day. Okay. Mo bere gamay. Mo pa day makita ka day. Sir, twist your body right, on the right side, right. Okay. Like that. And then just put your hands pocket, sir. Like that. Okay. Then ma'am, hanga nagagyote ma'am, yatanda ka to ma'am. Yan na, nice na. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sir, just forward 2 steps, sir, 2 steps. 1 and 2. Yan na. Okay. Then same pose again. 1, 2, 3. Mo closer ko gamay, ma'am. Second set na mo guys. Dangog. Yan na. Please. Okay. Hands in the pocket. And 1, 2, 3. Wait lang, wait. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then eyes here. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Then ipakuan si Ma'am Day. At magpatuyok. Ari si Ma'am Day. Akong Yan na. Okay. Okay day. Ma'am, pasod ka, ma'am, ha? Oo. Pasod. Okay. Ma'am, execute na naman bisag mga 3 turns lang. Ya. Alalay ganay mong gawon kana. Okay. Apila na sa ilaw, ma'am. Kana. Okay. Ikaw ni mo ana, ma'am. Nga okay, second turn tan lang kang say na smile. Ha? Okay, in 1, excuse day. 1, 2, 3, turn. Nice. Then eyes to eyes, eyes to eyes. Eyes to your wife, sir. Look at your wife. Kana. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yay. Okay. Okay na. Ato taday, katong may kuan. Oh, katong may mga kahoy ba? Kana. Gaday, ato. Aw yan na lang. Init pa kayo. Agad ta dito.
Sa landong area, ma'am. Para dili mapunta.